Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Distro Technologies, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can get access to an RDP completely for free. For this particular RDP, I recommend it for beginners who want to learn how to use an RDP. This particular one will help you practice and perfect your skills with working on a remote Windows desktop. So if you like content like this, please consider subscribing to the channel, turn on notifications so you do not miss updates like this anytime we drop them. And without wasting much time, let's get to the tutorial and let me show you guys how you can set it up. On your PC, head over to your browser and visit this website. This website is going to help us get access to a free RDP server that we can use. Now, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I recommend it for beginners because they have a learner's package. They also have the premium and the elite package. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to go with the learner's package. And as you can see over here, we are going to get these specs for our RDP. So click on the start trial button. Over here on this page, you need to fill out some information from the part 1 section and the part 2 section to help register your account. A verification email will be sent to your inbox, so check your inbox and verify your email. Click the link over here to verify your email. This will verify your email and open a different web page. Now over here on this page, I want you to scroll down. Now you will see the learner plan versus the premium plan. Again, the purpose of the tutorial is for beginners and learners, so you're going to stick to the learner plan. If you look at the information underneath the learner plan, we are going to spend 0 credits. We are getting it free for a day, no admin access. We are getting a 4-core CPU with 6 GB of RAM, 1 data center, and it's purposely for learning only with email support. So click on access now. Over here on this page, your username and password have been provided, and those are your logins and they are only valid for a day. So click on launch now to launch the RDP. Over here, you'll be presented with the login page. So enter your username and password and then click on login. And just like that, you have successfully logged into your remote desktop protocol server. Now keep in mind that this is a Windows RDP, which is why we are seeing a Windows interface. This is Windows 11, and you have full access to this RDP. So you can go ahead and even check the specs of your RDP to see whether they match the information that was displayed earlier. Now, one thing I noticed when I was using the RDP is that it's actually quite slow, but it's manageable. So keep that in mind. And as you can see, these are the specs of the RDP. Every piece of information there matches what was displayed on the website. It comes with some apps already installed on it. Can check them out. There's Visual Studio Code. If you want to use it for a coding environment, you can go ahead and build your apps right here on the RDP, and you can practice a lot of stuff that you will not be comfortable practicing on your local machine. You can also even browse the internet, so you can open any of the browsers of your choice that have already been installed and you can browse the internet. Now, if you are done with everything and you want to turn off your RDP, all you have to do is click on the Windows logo on the taskbar. In the start menu, click on the profile icon. This will bring you these three options, and then click on sign out, and you'll be automatically signed out of your RDP. Or in other words, you turn your RDP off. So if you watch the tutorial from the beginning to the end, you should be able to get access to this Windows RDP completely for free. If you found this useful, please leave me a like, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace.